Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need the right starting point. Check your GPU model and driver version and save current settings so you can revert. Once done, open the game's graphics menu first. If the game lacks AA controls, open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA/AMD, or Windows graphics settings. Make sure to run the application as administrator if controls are grayed out. Now locate any anti-aliasing entries. These are usually labeled AA, MSAA, FZA, TA, or global image settings, so you can change them. You'll now make the change in the correct places. In the game's graphics options, set anti-aliasing to off or lower the quality setting, and disable any post-process AA types like TAA or FZA. Then open the GPU control panel and set global or application-specific AA to off or application-controlled to avoid driver overrides. If the game uses a config file, change AA entries there to 0 or false and save. Restart the game to ensure the new rendering path is active and verify visual. Finish by restarting the game, and if needed, the PC/SO settings fully apply. Then take a screenshot to compare against your backup. Make sure any overlay apps, capturing, mods, anti-cheat, are disabled because they can force smoothing. If you still see smoothing, return to the GPU panel and set the app-specific profile explicitly to off, and check for game-specific presets or ini files that re-enable AA. One troubleshooting tip: toggle application controlled then off, restarting between steps to force the driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.